We call the kitchen the heart of the home, but for most of us, it operates more like an obstacle course. You know the routine. You step up to the counter to cook, and immediately you're battling overflowing drawers, completely wasted vertical space, and the frustration of searching for a single spatula in a sea of tangled utensils. When we hit that wall of irritation, the immediate instinct is to blame the floor plan. We assume we simply need more physical square footage. But this diagram traces human movement through a standard kitchen layout, and it tells a different story. The actual culprit is poorly planned workflow. When your tools and ingredients fight against your natural movements, cooking becomes a chore. By breaking down this chaos into 3 distinct types of friction and applying 15 specific storage solutions to eliminate them, you can rewire the entire experience. This approach bypasses simple tidiness. It preserves your mental energy, allowing you to move through a workspace that finally responds to your needs. The first major barrier is visual friction. Our brains naturally interpret cluttered countertops as a list of unfinished tasks. Hack number 1 targets the worst offenders, bulky appliances. Moving the toaster, blender, or stand mixer off the counter and into dedicated cabinets instantly clears highly valuable workspace. Hack 2 handles the pantry. Grains, pastas, and snacks come wrapped in loud, mismatched commercial packaging. Pouring them into clear, airtight containers strips away that excess noise. This split screen shows exactly why this works. The uniform alignment of the clear containers creates a calming, predictable pattern. Plus, the airtight seals keep your ingredients fresh longer. Stripping away chaotic branding and physical clutter lowers your cognitive load. Walking in to start meal prep feels welcoming rather than overwhelming. Next, we address accessibility friction. The goal here is to create active zones, areas where your most used tools are instantly retrievable without digging. Hacks 3 and 4 organize the immediate grabbing area. A lazy Susan stops you from knocking over bottles to reach the soy sauce, while strict drawer dividers lock your cutlery into permanent, predictable homes. Hacks 5 and 6 categorize the hidden spaces. Labeled baskets group pantry ingredients by use, so you pull out 1 basket instead of searching for 5 jars. Meanwhile, a sliding pull-out organizer rescues cleaning supplies from the dark, chaotic void under the sink. Hacks 7 and 8 reclaim dead zones. Blank walls become high-utility surfaces by mounting magnetic knife strips and hanging rails. For Hack 9, adhesive hooks inside cabinet doors give measuring spoons a dedicated spot right at the point of use. When your critical tools live exactly where you need them, you stop rummaging through drawers while a pan is smoking on the stove. The physical struggle of the search is eliminated. The final physical barrier is spatial friction, how your storage physically accommodates your gear. Most cabinets have 10 inches of empty air above short items like plates or mugs. Hacks 10 and 11 deploy stackable shelves and shelf risers, instantly doubling the capacity of that existing square footage. Hack 12 fixes one of the loudest problems in cooking. Storing heavy cookware in a vertical wire rack isolates each piece. You can grab a single pan without unstacking a noisy, unstable pile of metal. Hack 13 introduces mobility. A rolling cart is a dynamic storage solution, acting as a crucial overflow valve for compact kitchens. Instead of you walking to the storage walks with you. It functions as a temporary island that appears when you're chopping vegetables and rolls out of the way when the job is done. Aligning your storage geometry protects your heavy cookware from damage and saves you from the strain of crouching and contorting around static cabinets. Step back into the space now, and the environment feels completely different. The kitchen actually flows with your natural movements. These physical upgrades save cumulative hours over a year and reduce the stress of daily meal prep. But a system is only as good as its upkeep, which leads to Hack 14, acknowledging that a frictionless space requires an ongoing behavioral shift. That shift is cemented in Hack 15, the weekly reset habit. Setting aside a consistent window of time to realign the space ensures the organization doesn't degrade over the month. This feedback loop shows how the system sustains itself. Because you've built logical homes for every single item, cleaning up stops being an overwhelming chore. Putting a tool back becomes an automated reflex.
Designing a personalized environment that serves you shifts your focus away from managing clutter and back to the joy of cooking.